If you have a brand logo and want to animate it, you do not need to hire a designer or pay for expensive software. You can do it completely free in just a few clicks using Google Flow. And the results look really professional. Let me show you exactly how. We are going to take a brand logo image and turn it into a smooth animated video using Google VO inside Google Flow. Completely free, no design skills needed, no software to download. All you need is your logo image and 2 minutes. Go to Google Flow, link is in the description. Now sign in with your Google account. You get 50 free credits every day and they refresh daily. So you can keep animating for free every single day. Once you are inside, click on New Project. Now click on the tab at the bottom and select Video. From here, choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs and video duration. Now click on the plus icon and then click on Upload Media. Select your logo image and upload it. Once uploaded, select the image and click Add to Prompt. Now in the prompt box, you can describe whatever type of animation you want for your logo. And I have provided 10 different ready-to-use animation prompts in the description below. Everything from lightning effects, metallic tag, particle assembly, neon glow and much more. Just copy whichever one you like and paste it directly. For this example, I am going with the particle assembly effect prompt. So let me paste that in. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Google Flow will now process your logo and start animating it. Give it a moment and here's the output. Just look at how smooth and professional this looks. It does not look like a random generic animation. It actually looks like it was custom made specifically for this logo. And the best part is, the logo comes with perfectly matching sound effects automatically. That is something I was not expecting at all. Now to download your animated logo, click on the 3 dots and click Download. Your animated logo is now saved to your PC completely for free. So that is how you animate your brand logo for free using Google Flow and Google View. All 10 animation prompts are in the description below. Just copy whichever style you like, upload your logo and generate. And which animation style are you going to try first? Tell me in the comments. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials like this. See you in the next one.